Hello children, I hope all are fine. Okay, today in this video we are going to discuss about leaf. Let's start in the session leaf. So the very important one. Leaf is the plant organ and it is green color. Its main functions are photosynthesis and gas exchange. A leaf is often flat, so it is absorb the most light, and thin, so that the sunlight can get to the chloroplast in the cell. Most leaves have stomata which open and close. So the very important, what is the function of the leaves? The main function of the leaf is carry out photosynthesis. So leaf structure, இலையின் அமைப்பு. So look at the picture. The petiole keeps the leaf blade exposed to wind and cools the leaf. The lamina of the leaf contains veins and veinlets that provide rigidity to the leaf blade and help in the transport of mineral nutrients. And primarily leaves have three main functions. So the photosynthesis. The green leaves prepare food for plants by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. This process photosynthesis. And transpiration other than photosynthesis. Leaves play a crucial role in removal of excess of water. So the removal of excess of water from the plants through tiny pores, that is stomata. Tiny pores அப்படினா இலைகளோட அடிப்பகுதியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாத நுண்துளைகள். This is process transpiration. So once again I repeat, transpiration other than photosynthesis. Leaves play a crucial role in removal of excess of water from plants through tiny pores, that is stomata. This process is transpiration. And another important, reproduction. So leaves of some plants help in reproduction also. For example, leaves of Bryophyllum give rise to a new Bryophyllum plant. Leaf. So the leaf flattener structure. So flat in higher plant. So green and blade-like that attach to the stem directly or stalk. Leaves are main organs for photosynthesis and transpiration. So the main function of a leaf is to produce food for the plant by photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, the substance that gives plants their characteristic green color. So absorb light energy. So sunlight la irukkudiya அந்த ஒளி அதை பயன்படுத்தி தான் என்ன நடக்கும், இங்க photosynthesis நடக்கும். The internal structure of the leaf is protected by the leaf epidermis. The internal structure of the leaf protected by the leaf epidermis, which continues with the stem epidermis. And the central leaf or mesophyll consists of soft wall unspecialized cells of type parenchyma. As much 1/5 of the mesophyll is composed of chlorophyll containing chloroplast, which absorb sunlight and in conjunction with certain enzymes use the radiant energy in decomposing water into elements. So hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen liberated from green leaves replaces the oxygen removal from the atmosphere by plant and animal respiration and by combustion. So the hydrogen obtained from water is combined with the carbon dioxide in the enzymatic process of photosynthesis, form of sugars that bases the sugars that both plant and animal life. So oxygen is passed into the atmosphere through stomata, pores in the leaf surface. So stomata ங்கிறது என்ன, அந்த இலை பகுதியில் இருக்கக்கூடியது. Then அந்த டிட்னி போர்ஸ் அப்படின்னா இலைப்பகுதியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாத நுண்துளிகள். ஸோ அப்போ ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸில் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு யூஸ் பண்ணி அதோட எனர்ஜி எடுத்துக்கிறது. தென் நமக்கு ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸ் மூலமாக நமக்கு ரிலீஸ் ஆகிறது என்னது? ஆக்சிஜன். ஸோ நம்ம நிறைய மரங்கள் வச்சாதான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? நம்மளால் உயிர் வாழ முடியும். ஆக்சிஜன் இருந்தால் தான் நம்மளால் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? உயிர் வாழ முடியும். ஸோ அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? நிறைய மரங்கள் வளர்க்கணும். நிறைய லீஃப்லாம் அதில் இருந்தால் தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸ் நடக்கும். ஸோ அதன் மூலமாக நமக்கு ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் க்யூர் ஆகும். ஸோ ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் நல்லபடியாக போகும். ஸோ அனிமலும் சரி நம்மளும் சரி ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் பண்ணாமல் இருக்க முடியுமா? முடியாது. ஸோ ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ த யூஸ் ஆஃப் கேஸ் ஆக்சிஜன். The main differences photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So the photosynthesis is an anabolic process. And where the synthesis of organic compounds occurs storing energy, whereas cellular respiration is the catabolic process where the stored organic compounds are utilized producing energy. So the main differences: photosynthesis, so the anabolic process, and the cellular respiration, it is the catabolic process. And another important one, the photosynthesis, the synthesis of organic compounds occur storing energy, and the respiration, stored organic compounds are utilized producing energy. So another important point, the cellular respiration on the other hand is the process by which living things convert oxygen and glucose to carbon dioxide and water, thereby yielding energy. So photosynthesis requires energy and produces food, and cellular respiration breaks down food and releases energy. So are photosynthesis and respiration related? Photosynthesis makes glucose and used cellular respiration to make ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. And photosynthesis requires carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, and cellular respiration requires oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. So look at the picture. To carry out exchange of gases for respiration and photosynthesis. So the very important one, so the leaves, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the leaf, as well as the loss of water vapor in transpiration, so occurs through porous, that is stomata. Porous means stomata, and normally stomata open, the light strikes the leaf in the morning. ஸோ ஸ்டொமேட்டா அப்படின்னா அது வந்து கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாத நுண்துளைகள். அது மார்னிங்கில் என்ன இருக்கும்? இலைகளில் ஓப்பனாக இருக்கும். அண்ட் நைட் டைம் க்ளோஸ்ட். ஸோ 2 types. லுக் அட் த பிக்சர். த ஸ்டொமேட்டா ஓப்பன் டைப் அண்ட் க்ளோஸ் டைப். ஸோ த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிக்சர் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன், அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன் த ஆக்சிஜன் gases, and stomata open and closed type. Okay. So look at the picture carefully. So once again I repeat, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the leaf, as well as the loss of water vapor in transpiration. So next, occurs through porous. Porous means stomata. Normally stomata open, the light strikes the leaf in the morning and close during the night. So morning time stomata open இருக்கும், night time closed இருக்கும். So what helps in the exchange of gases during photosynthesis? The plants obtain the gases they need through their leaves. They require oxygen for respiration and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. The gases diffuses into the intercellular spaces of leaf through pores, which are normally on the underside on the leaf. Stomata. Stomata on the leaf ku pin side. Look at the picture. So the leaf tendril of pure plants. So this is the பட்டாணி தாவரம். ஸோ இந்த தாவரத்துக்கு வந்து ஒரு சப்போர்ட் தேவைப்படுது. ஏதாவது ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராங் சப்போர்ட் இருந்தால் தான் அதை பற்றி கொண்டு இது நல்லா படர்ந்து வளரும். ஓகேவா? So the tendril is very important in plants that have a weak stem. So இதோட தண்டு பகுதி ரொம்ப மெலிவா இருக்கும். Leaf or a part of a leaf get modified into green thread like structure, that is tendril. So அதோட green thread like அந்த நூல் மாதிரியான அந்த சுருள் மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் தான் என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், நம்ம tendrilனு சொல்றோம். So leaf get modified into green thread like structure, that is tendril. So which help in clamping around the support in pure plant. So upper leaflet modified into tendrils. So another important point, modified leaves, that is coil. Okay. In pure plant, science name is Pisum sativum. So the role of leaf tendril. Tendrils may be modified leaves, leaflets, leaf tips or leaf tubules. They may however be derived as modified stem branches. So the example, grapes. What are leaf tendrils present in pure plants? The growth of tendril in pure plants due to the rapid cell divisions in tendrilar cells that are away from the support. Tendril is a slender stem, petiole-like structure that is used by vines and lianas, that is climbing plants, to wrap around the hook or support. So look at the picture. So the spines in cocti. So the chapathically plant. So the important for provide production, prevent transpiration. Okay. So the leaves are modified into spines in cocti. This help in reduce transpiration. The stomata are not present in the spines. So it close protects the plant and grazing animals. So இது எதுக்காக modify ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா production. இந்த இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த முள் போன்ற பகுதி வந்து லீவ்ஸ் வந்து மாடிஃபைட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த லீஃப் இருக்கிறதுக்கு பதிலாக முள் வந்து அதில் வந்து ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ இது எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா ரெடியூஸ் டிரான்ஸ்பிரேஷன், இந்த வாட்டர் லாஸை வந்து நம்ம தவிர்ப்பதற்காக. ஸோ ஸ்டொமேட்டா இதில் வந்து இருக்காது. ஸ்டொமேட்டா இருந்தால் அங்கே வந்து நீராவி போக்கு இருக்கும். இதில் வந்து ஸ்டொமேட்டா இருக்காது. ஸோ அனதர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஒன், எந்த ஒரு அனிமலும் இதை சாப்பிட முடியாது. ஸோ இதில் ஸ்பைன்ஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால. ஓகே. Look at the picture. So the tuber of potato. Storage of food. Storage of food. In potato and ginger plants, the food is stored in the underground pores. Ginger and potato are underground stems. The food is stored in the form of starch. Through it is prepared in the leaves. So the excess of glucose made during photosynthesis is stored in the potato plant as starch. So the scale leaves modified leaf that does not carry out normal function. The leaves such as photosynthesis and transpiration and exchange of gases. Okay. So part of a leaf. So they are very important. A leaf made up of many layers. So the two layers, that is the skin cells is epidermis, and epidermis is also secret of a waxy substance, that is cuticle. Waxy substance அப்படின்னா மெழுகு பொருள். These layers protect the leaf from insect, bacteria and other pests. So the epidermal cells pairs of curd cells. So next, so the most food production take place in elongated cells, that is palisade mesophyte, and gas exchange occurs in the air spaces between the cells, the sponge mesophyte, and the veins support the leaf and are filled with vessels that transport food, water and minerals to the plant. So another important, leaf margins. Leaf leaves come in many sizes and shapes. They are often used to help identify plants. Some leaves are flat and wide, so others are spiky and thin than plant spines. That is the like cactus spine. So முள்ளு மாதிரி இருக்கும்ல சில இலையில அது. And actually modified leaves. Then air space, intercellular gaps within the spongy mesophyll. So these gaps are filled with that gas, and the plant uses the carbon dioxide, and gases that plant is expelling, that is oxygen and water vapor. So water vapor na neeravi poku, so andha madri. Then chlorophyll. So the molecule leaves that can use light energy from the sunlight to turn water, carbon dioxide gas and into sugar and oxygen. In this process, photosynthesis. And next, another important, so the leaf, compound leaf, a leaf that divided into many separate parts. So the leaflets along the midrib, the richens. So all the leaflets of a compound leaf are originated in same plant. So the next, another important, cuticle, the waxy water repelling layer on the outer surface. So entire and epidermis, the protective outer layer of the cells on the surface of a leaf. And stomata, the curved cells or stomata. So the surface of many leaves coated with waxy cuticle, which is secreted by the epidermis. And lamina, the blade of the leaf, and the leaf apex. So the outer end of a leaf, the end that is opposite the petiole. And the midrib, so nadu narambu, mayya narambu, சரியா இலையோட. The central rib of the leaf, it is usually continuous with the petiole. And the petiole, a leaf stalk, it attaches the leaf to the plant. And the stomata, in a plant's leaves where water vapor and other gases enter the plant. So stomata are formed by the two curved cells. Veins, so the vascular bundle. Veins provide support for the leaf and transport both water and minerals and food energy through the leaf and to the rest of the plant. Plant morphology, plant identification. So the simple leaf. So simple leaf, the leaf blade or lamina is undivided into lobes is simple leaf. And the arrangement of such leaves are acropetal succession. So the leaf blades, they have single blades and axillary buds placed in the axil near the petiole and stem. And a division in lamina, there is no division of lamina. And stipules, the base of leaf contains stipules. And examples for the black gum trees and black cherry trees, guava, mangoes, various type of oaks. So these are all main types. So the simple leaf and compound leaf differences. Simple leaf tani ilai, compound leaf kootilai. So the main differences. So in a plant, simple leaves are present, then the leaf blade or lamina remains undivided into lobes and are directly attached to the stem. So even the arrangement of such leaves are acropetal succession. On the other hand, if we discussing the compound leaves, we can see proper division of leaf blade or lamina into leaflets. So simple leaves have single leaf blade or lamina, and compound leaves have smaller and separate leaf blade, that is leaflets. So has the base of simple leaf contains tubules, but the compound leaf, the tubules are found the base of the leaf and other additional structure are absent. So examples of the simple leaf are black gum trees and black cherry trees and guava, mangoes and various type of oaks, O-A-K-S, oaks. And another one, the rose, neem and baki are few examples of compound leaves. So differentiate, okay. So the main conclusion, so we can say the simple and compound leaves can be differentiated by the division of leaf blade or lamina. Okay, we also come the importance of leaves and how they are helpful to the atmosphere as well as the living being. So they are very important. leaf. So look at the picture. So the very important compound leaves. So the main function photosynthesis. Another important, the leaf blade is specializing for catching sunlight. So leaf is a leaf in which the blade is divided into midrib, forming two or more distinctive blades. Okay. So compound leaf in compare palmate, pinnate and simple leaf. So what is compound leaf? Composed of number of leaflets on common stalk arranged either palmately as the fingers on a hand or pinnately as the leaflets of ferron, and leaflets themselves may be compound. So compound means cutillae. So another important one, insectivorous plants. So look at the picture, insectivorous plants. So the trap insect, that is insectivorous plants. In the pitcher plant, the lamina of the leaf is modified into pitcher. So the leaf forms the lid. The Venus flytrap, the edges of the leaf have pointed hair-like structure which help to close the leaf when insect is trapped. So the Venus flytrap of fluorescent color of attract insect. So the insectivorous plants, digestive juices are secreted by the leaves to digest insect pod. So the plants meet protein requirement for digesting insect. They do not carry out photosynthesis. Insect help provide nitrogen. So இந்த plant வந்து insectivorous plants வந்து என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னா பூச்சி உண்ணும் தாவரங்கள். ஸோ பூச்சி உண்ணும் தாவரங்கள் அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு நைட்ரஜன் சத்து கம்மியாக இருக்கும்போது அதை ஈக்குவல் பண்ணுறதுக்காக பூச்சிகளை தன்னோட உணவாக எடுத்துக்கும். ஸோ அப்படி சாப்பிடும்போது அதுக்கு நைட்ரஜன் சத்து பேலன்ஸ் ஆகிடும். ஸோ இதன் மூலமாக அது ப்ரோட்டீன் ஈல்ட் ஆகும். ஸோ க்ரோத் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ஓகே. ஸோ இன்செக்டிவோரஸ் பிளான்ஸோட மெயின் பர்பஸ் நைட்ரஜன் சத்தை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணணும். தன்னோட உடம்புல பிளான்ஸில் நைட்ரஜனை சத்தை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக அந்த பூச்சிகளை வந்து சாப்பிடுது. ஸோ அதுக்காக அட்ராக்டிவ் கலர்ஸாக இருக்கும் இந்த இன்செக்டிவோரஸ் பிளான்ஸ். ஓகே. Children, all of you take your class work note, write fast. Part of a leaf. Use ink pen only. Okay. And picture is use pencil. Write fast. Did you finish? Did you finish the classwork? Okay. All of you take your homework note. Write first. Leaf structure. Leaf structure. Draw only a structure. Homework, leaf structure. Draw a structure. Only the leaf structure. Draw. Did you finish? Did you finish? Fast. Very simple diagram. First draw. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. Did you finish? Okay. Thank you.